In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable developer mode on Discord Mobile. Developer mode allows advanced users to access additional features and settings on Discord that are not available in the regular user interface. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Advanced. Now you'll see the developer mode option. To enable developer mode on Discord Mobile, simply toggle on this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.